everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you will have already seen by the title of the video, this is my first ever PR haul, which is so weird for me to be saying, and it's just a weird video for me to even film, to be honest, because I've never ever received PR. It's by, well, a company reached out to me called MODELONES, which have already been on my channel because I love their products so much. I'm sure you'll recognise this set that I'm pulling out now, but they kindly contacted me and said, I'd love to put you on the PR list. So I am officially on a PR list, which I think is fantastic. Like, it's so cool, and it's going to help out my channel so much because it means that I'm going to have a constant flow of new stuff to review. And I don't really want to be putting rubbish sets on my channel that people aren't going to want to watch, because, and even if I'm putting rubbish sets on the channel and people are buying them, it's just not fair on you guys. So I always want to put like affordable but some good stuff, because I know a lot of beginners follow this channel. So this is a set by MODELONES. It's their polygel set, and it's with their coloured polygel. I've never had this before, but I've had a very similar set that they've sent. It had nude polygels, but this set has colourful ones, and I'm very excited to play with this. I've already got some ideas. Like, I'm very excited to start playing with this. And what I really like about this set is they give you little butterflies, which I'll show you in a minute. You can see in that little container, and then also a really pretty chrome. So this is the blue. This is the one that I'm really excited about because I really like this colour. Green's my favourite colour, but I don't really like the colour green in this set. Like, I'm very specific with what greens I like, but this blue is my kind of blue. Like, it's so pretty. I'm trying to show you now. What I will say about these polygels is in the packaging there's a lot of air, and that's, so you kind of think there's more stuff in there when there's not actually that much, but there's still enough. Like, I know one of these little tubes will last me a while, because really you're not using that much when you do a set of nails. But this set is such an amazing set for beginning with polygel, and I think polygel is easier to work with than acrylic. But look how pretty this chrome is. Like, wow. It reminds me of Cinderella, like her dress, because it's sparkly and it's got a blue tint to it. And then these butterflies, which, oh my gosh, how pretty. Like, I've got so many ideas. I can do a set. I can do a set of nails with this set. Like, I will do a few if you'd like. Just comment down below any ideas you want me to do, and I'll try my best. But yeah. Oh, and another good thing is, from being on this PR list, any stuff that I received twice of, so it's, technically I've already received this set once, but just not with the coloured polygel, so I can do a lot more giveaways, seeing as I'll have spare stuff to give away, and plus some of the stuff I won't even use. So this is another thing that they sent me, which is their really nice UV gel. So of course you're going to need a light with this, so there's no point in buying it if you don't have a UV light or an LED light, but of course I already have one. I've got quite a few actually now, because I've been sent quite a few, which is so good. But this set is beautiful, and they've got loads of different collections. So this collection that they sent me, it's like based off, I'm not quite sure, but like this like fields and like a house and wood, you like that those kind of vibes. But I'm not going to go in full detail of what each colour is and what each thing looks like, because you are more than welcome to ask for any videos being recorded. Like, I'll decide if I want to actually record them, but maybe for these sets, maybe do more of an in-depth review, and you'll see me actually use these. So I'm showing you two colours here. You can see this one's called Leaf. I believed it was called Leaf. And it's a really nice pale green, which, you know, I love my green, so this was such a good colour for me. And just the bottles are so pretty, and it's like a proper bougie set. Like, it makes me feel bougie. Like, even the packaging. I'll link all the products down below if you're wanting to have a look, and I'll leave a link to the website, because they have some really, really nice stuff. I definitely recommend buying from this company. I'm not just saying that, like, I've used their stuff for a long time. If you scroll back through my channel, you'll see multiple videos using their stuff because I like it. So these are another 2 things that they sent me, and they're 2 sets of gel polish. So there's Charming Dots and Art Deco, and it's a different kind of packaging. I think these are supposed to be the more affordable stuff, which, to be honest, all their stuff is affordable in my opinion. Like, it's really good quality, so you have to pay that extra bit. However, it's worth the money. You'll see by the packaging, like the bottles, that it's very different, and these are supposed to be the more affordable ones. So if you're just starting out and you're not wanting to get the more expensive stuff, look into these sets. And plus, if you buy them in sets, you're going to be saving money. And oh my gosh, these 2 sets are so pretty. Like, the colours in them are amazing. Like, I had to show you 3 colours in this set just to show you how lovely it is. Like, maybe I showed you a little bit too much, but I wanted to show you how nice. The glitters always intrigue me the most. Like, they're my favourite. Like, I love my bling. I love chrome, I love glitter, I love the little gems, like, all of it. It's just great. But honestly, feel free to let me know any video that you'd like me to film using any of this stuff, or just any ideas in general. But this beautiful rose gold colour, like, oh my gosh, this has to be my favourite colour out of every single gel polish I've got. And my collection of gel polishes have increased so much recently. Like, I keep buying more. Like, my family like to get me gel polishes just because I like to build my collection, to be honest. If you'd like me to film a collection of my gel polishes, comment down below. I will be more than happy to do that because, to be honest, I'm quite proud of it because it's grown a lot. This is a really nice silver, and I didn't mean to do that, ignore that. I was concentrating and looking through the camera rather than looking what I was actually doing, but it just wiped straight off, so it's fine. But yeah, the packaging's super nice and just easy. I will say with these gels, the actual polish is slightly, the gel polish is slightly thicker than of those other ones with the wooden top. I'm not sure why that is. Maybe they're just a different formula or something. But these do seem a little bit thicker than the other set, but still easy to use. Not too thick, not gloopy at all, just slightly thicker. If you don't like a thick gel, look more towards the other set, but they're still absolutely fine. Like, there's nothing to worry about. I just thought I'd mention it because that was one of my first thoughts. And again, I will happily do a more in-depth video on these sets if you'd like. So again, comment down below and have a look online. And of course, they've got plenty other sets to look at, and you can pick your favourite colours. But I'm very pleased with the colours that I was sent because I love them all. Each collection is so nice, and I really like this Art Deco collection. Like, the packaging, I really love the prints on top, well, on the front. Yeah, so this is such a pretty red. It's a very dark vampire red in my opinion. It's quite brown actually, but it's a very me colour. It's a very, very me colour, so that's why I decided to show you this one. But I really, really like the packaging of these. I just like the packaging of all of it. Like, I think they've thought well about it, and it just looks really nice. I'll show you another one. I think this is a glitter one, which, ooh, my absolute faves. Absolute faves. Yeah, I did my sister's nails with this glitter, if it's the glitter that I'm thinking of. And oh my god, it's so nice. Yeah, beautiful. Like, honestly, that colour is stunning. And you can see what I mean with slightly thick, but easy to use, trust me, I promise with that. But yeah, I'm very, very grateful. And I've got to say thank you, MODELONES, for sending me these. They're so pretty. And they will definitely get used. Also, again, comment down below if you'd like me to give you some tips and tricks on how to get some brands to recognise you and want to send their products in order to have their stuff promoted. So I've never actually been put on a PR list before. However, companies have contacted me before and said, oh yeah, we'd love to send you this if you'd make a video. Whereas I do not need to make a video out of these products because obviously it's a PR list. Like, they're sending it me in the hopes to get a video out of it. But I was so excited, I wanted to do a video showing these 4 different sets, and all 4 will be on the website. It will be in the description. I will make sure of that. Ask any questions down below about these products. I've only got positive thoughts of these, but I really need to experiment with it. And again, it means more giveaways. So lucky you guys benefit too. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next week.